standing ovation after he came up with a list of members of big personalities who have been accused of maybe being dwelling in corruption. And of course, I'm joined. I have a panelist of members of parliament. That is Kiminini, member of parliament, Chris Wamalwa, and Kiharu, member of parliament, Irungu Kangata. Welcome, gentlemen, to KTN News. And of course, today being the last State of the Nation address by President Uhuru Kenyatta, what will be expectations when it comes to address members of parliament and, of course, the nation?
My expectations are, because what the Executive President is coming to do, it is his obligation as provided for in the Constitution. He's supposed to give the status of the nation pertaining three important things. One, he needs to tell Kenyans about the level, the aspect of security in this country. And you need to know that the president is the chairman of the Security Council in this country, and is also the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. We've had a lot of challenges when it comes to security matters. We've had the Al-Shabaabs, but of late we have the challenge of the cattle rustling, which actually has been declared a national disaster. So we are yet to see what his plans are and what grade is he going to likely to give himself. So after security, he has, of course, has to say something when it comes to the international obligation of this country. We know Kenya is party to so many treaties, and in line with our constitution, particularly Article 2 of the Constitution, many of those international agreements that Kenya is a signatory, for them to be part and parcel of our Kenyan laws, they must be ratified by Parliament. So we also need to understand what is the level of fulfillment of Kenya's international obligations. He has to touch on that. And lastly, on the issue of governance, the core values and the principles of governance, which has been a big challenge because issues of corruption are in this country. They've not gone away. We've been told 30% of the national revenue goes into wastage through corruption. Last time, like the president was here 2 years ago, it's true he was given a standing ovation when he came up with a list which he indicated that these people have to step aside, and these people stepped aside. But to some of us, it was more of a PR exercise because findings had not been done, and these people are still free. Nothing has been done to them.
Talking of corruption,